Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change icon shape into Oppo A15S. First of all, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application, this one. Need downloading and installing, so I already installed this. Click open. Now wait a second for loading, and now need choose your application, maybe Brawl Stars. Now need choose your icon from library, maybe like moon, will be okay. And in the top right corner we got OK button. Click it. Wait a second for generating the
Dołącz
icon.
teraz, aby otrzymać kupon na pierwsze zakupy. Zdobądź darmowy kupon na 15 zł na pierwszy zakup.
Now need close ads. And how you can see, generate new icon is already done. Go to our home screen and find our new icon for Brawl Stars. This one. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.